Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 122. In this video, I'll be taking apart an air purifier. This one is made for purifying the air in refrigerators. There's a light on the front here that'll light up and flash. And when it's on, you can smell ozone coming out of the top. And if you turn it on while it's totally dark, you can see the purple corona discharge around the pins. We'll take a closer look at that when I get it apart. Here's the stickers on the bottom. And it has a micro USB charging port and an air inlet on the back. Now I believe if I pull the feet off, the screws are in there. I'll go ahead and take the feet off and get the screws out, and I'll be right back. The screws are out, and it should lift apart. And there's the battery pack. I'm going to try to get everything out of here, and then we can take a closer look at everything. Alright, everything is out. This was on the front panel, and that has the power button. If I press the button, it turns it on. And we see the green lights flashing. There is a third LED down here, and I think that's for a low battery indicator. On the lower board with the charging port, there are a couple of red LEDs down here that'll light when you have it plugged in. And then on the back here, it looks like a microphone. Seems quite odd. I don't understand why there'd be a microphone on here. There's the charging circuit. Here are the pins. And there's a large capacitor here that's potted. Now I'm going to turn off the lights and turn this thing on and see if we can see the corona discharge. Okay, it's on. It's very tricky to see, but you can see the two little purple dots. That is the corona discharge. Alright, I'm going to turn the lights back on. And that's what's inside a electronic air purifier for a refrigerator. I still don't know what the microphone's all about, but it's in there. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.